This is how I connect certain devices to my motorcycle. I installed a couple of these ram bolt mounts. This one here and this one here. That way I connect the quad lock to this one here where I have my phone connected. I'll do that now. Okay, I've just put this onto the ram ball mount. And here's my quad lock connected to the vibration dampener that I bought. It's a separate piece. There's my phone connected to the quad lock. You can of course see on their website how quickly it is to attach. Another thing I did buy though, I figured when I take the phone off my bike, sometimes I like to just clip it onto my belt. So I bought the quad lock utility belt clip, and it works great. Next thing, I installed this ram ball mount because for the rear camera, I connect this here, and you always check your steering to make sure this doesn't hit the windshield when you install it. But once it's set, it doesn't budge. So I'll put this on here in a second. So it took me just a couple seconds to install this. You can see that this is on here sturdy. And if I ever feel like twisting the camera view, I just click, 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 click. I can spin the view of the camera just like that easily, even with gloves on. This part, this piece here is from my GoPro Hero 13. That way I can just automatically make sure that's on tight. Snap the camera on for the rear view camera, and this is on here securely, but if I want to remove it, I just push these two in and it snaps right off. So I've got the magnetic connector lock for the front of my helmet. The only hassle is the very first time you want to line this up so that your camera is not filming the sky or just the ground. You have to adjust this until you have the right camera view, and then you can lock this into place and it'll stay put. The cable here, wire cable, I'm going to do a test out with me using the DJI mini mic. This is a DJI mini mic. And it's a magnetic unit, so I'll just snap it back in the back of my helmet. Now you can't see inside there. It's snapped in, and it's in there. Really, you have to pull real hard to get it out of there. I'm going to test that out for a wireless recording rather than to have to connect this to the media mod, which I don't have to have installed if this works. And here we go. The camera is securely on there, locked into place. I have it where I want it. So now I'm going to take a ride and see if the mini mic audio is as good as having the media mod connected with the wired. Don't have to worry about a full tank of gas, because this time of year I try to keep it almost full all the time. Keep any excess moisture out of there. So it'll be interesting to see if the audio works at all, or if the audio quality is good, bad, or awful. A lot of bikers out today. I've already seen 2. Here's 3 more. Here's 4. February 23rd, Sunday. Okay, here we come into Frederick. First thing is the roundabout, and then head into the little town of Frederick. This time of year, watch out for the sand and put on the roads. Fifth Street in Frederick. Let's raise the windshield all the way and see what it sounds like at 55 with the windshield all the way up.
Good news though, bad company. Finally nominated for the first time ever. About damn time. They've been eligible since 1999. Singer Paul Rogers and drummer Simon Kirk crediting fans and friends of the band for the nomination, saying they had been lobbying for this nomination persistently for years and they never gave up. So big.
Lakes are still frozen over. But can't believe the temperature, 69. Wow. And I've been riding for a while. The bike hadn't been sitting idling, so that is for real, folks. 69 degrees. Finally got home. And gonna check out the audio, see what happened. Over and out.